In this podcast, we're going to look at how to save a Word 2013 document as a PDF file or as a rich text or text file. In previous versions, this was done using the Save As function. But in Word 2013, that's been changed to Export. So to go through the process, we need to go up here to File, and then go down here to Export. And once you select Export, in the first column you have the ability to create a PDF file, and then we have the ability to change the file type to go to some other file type besides PDF. We're going to look at those options first. In the top area, you can go to a previous version of Word. So to get the widest accessibility for a document that's in the Word format, you'd want to select Word 97 to 2003 document. That's going to give you a document with a DOC extension. Most word processors like WordPad and things that come built into Windows will read this file type. If you stay with the DOCX extension, you're going to have trouble with some students being able to read your document. Not all older versions of other word processors will read the DOCX extension. So this is a good option. A better option might be to use rich text, which is in the other file types area. Rich text allows you to keep formatting like fonts, bold italic, paragraph formatting, and things like that. You can also do it as a plain text file. Now, plain text is just going to keep the text. It will not keep any formatting, other than it'll keep your text in paragraphs. Any line spacing, changes of fonts will not come through if you save it as plain text. Rich text will keep a lot of those, but if you have special formatting like footnotes and some other things, you'll need to go with Word. And really specialized formatting will require you to stay within the DOCX file extension category. So let's go ahead and create a PDF file. All we need to do is click on the top option here, click Create, and we're going to get a dialog box that comes up. I'm going to go ahead and let it open after publishing, so it opens the document after it creates it. To the right, we have optimized for just standard optimization or minimize file size. If you're expecting the person receiving this document to print it out, you probably want to stay with the standard. Just saving the document as a PDF file is probably going to reduce the file size. So you're going to save file size that way. If you go and reduce it even more, you could have poor quality when the document is printed. So I'm going to stick with standard, and then I'm going to click on the options button. Now this looks like a printer dialog box, which it is, because you're actually printing a PDF file. And the top area gives you the ability to pick which pages you want put into the PDF file. You don't have to include every page. And then below that are some other options. I'm just going to keep all the standards here and go ahead and click OK. So unless you're reducing the pages that are being printed or doing a special page range or things like that, you do not need to go into the options area. Now, if you're saving as a text file or a rich text file, you're not going to get these options. You're just going to essentially be saving the document with a different file extension, and it will do the associated changes to the file. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the Publish button here. And here's my document. Notice most everything came through okay, it looks like. So that's the process for creating a PDF file or exporting a rich text or a text file from a Word 2013 document.